Right, Adobe have just confirmed something Android has been waiting for. Premiere is finally coming to Android phones. Yes, it's been on iPhone for a year. Better late than never. Here's what you're getting. The proper Premiere mobile app built specifically for YouTube Shorts with exclusive templates, exclusive music, exclusive effects, all baked in. Same app the iPhone crowd's been using since last year. Here's why this is a big deal. Premiere on iPhone holds a 4.8 star rating, marketed as an AI video editor. People love it. And remember, Premiere Rush, the one Adobe quietly killed off, this is its proper replacement. When can you actually get it? Google's official line is soon. The original press copy said this summer before they trimmed it. Either way, it's right around the corner. So that's the headline. Adobe Premiere on Android this summer. Took a year longer than iPhone, but Android creators finally have a proper editor. And that's all there is to it.